Hello students, this is Professor Janvi Naik and I'm here to introduce you all the subject Cloud Computing and Applications. It is an open elective which has been floated by Computer Engineering Department, CE 644. So let me start by introducing what do we mean by cloud computing. Now, when I say cloud computing, in simple terms, it means that we are trying to store and we are accessing the data and the program over the internet instead of using my own computer hard drive. Okay. So, no, and the cloud is like just a metaphor for the internet that we are using. Back in the days we used to use flow charts and presentation, and over there we used to make some blocks or cloud kind of thing to represent certain thing. Now, when I say cloud computing is not just about the computer hard drive. See, we are used to store the data or run the programs on our own hard drives. Okay, so that is called as the local storage and computing. So everything has to be physically present so that the data could be accessed and you could do your job. Now, when I say cloud computing, it means that if you have, as long as your electronic device, it has access to the web, it will have access to the data and the software programs. Okay. So we are trying to access the data and the programs over the internet instead of using my computer hard drive. So this is what is cloud computing. So it is the delivery of on-demand computing services over the internet on a pay-as-you-go basis. So you have your any electronic device which is connected, smartphone, laptop, computer, tablet, mobile system, and all you require is the internet, the web servers, okay? So that connection happens and the database which is connected through which you can run and access the different data and the programs. So this is today's world. Okay, instead of storing all the things onto the local hard disk, okay, on your storage device, why not we switch to the internet? Okay, so that we just have the access to the internet, and wherever you go you can access and open the things which are related to your work. So they say that rather than managing the files on local storage system, let us use cloud computing, which makes us possible to save them over the internet. Now, this is what is cloud computing. Now, the most important question, is cloud computing required, or why do we require cloud computing? On-premise and cloud basis. Now, what you see over here is two distinction. A simple example, if any person wants to set up its own firm or company, the two types of question comes into his mind. Should I, choose on-premise or should I use cloud computing? Now, just giving you all a brief idea of what do we mean by on-premise and cloud-based computing. When I say on-premise, it is a higher pay, okay, and a less scalability. If you are setting up something, you can't scale it down after you set up the things. The infrastructure that is required, okay, to set up the space which is required, it has to be a huge space when I say it is an on-premise. Whereas when I say cloud computing, it is nothing but the server space. Okay, everything happens into the cloud. It is dynamic. There is no requirement for the huge space over here, and there is no issue of the scalability also. Coming to the security aspect also, when I say on premises, we still have to say that it is having a poor data security, whereas when I say cloud computing, it has better security than your on premise. Made with respect to data recovery, even in on-premise there are less chance of data recovery, but whereas in the cloud computing there are better aspects with respect to the recovery, because we have disaster management system which will help us to recover the data. Lack of flexibility, no automation, less collaboration, okay, and long time to set up the things when I talk about on premise. Whereas when I say cloud computing, automatic updates can be done, there is a high flexibility which is involved, okay, and data can be shared anytime. It is faster as compared to your on premise, compared to all the particular points. So these are some points which have been listed. That is why nowadays people are shifting to cloud-based computing. They are using cloud-based to set up the their particular firm or company. So that is why cloud computing is interesting and trending everywhere. Now coming to our particular subject in this syllabus, what does the course offers? Okay, first of all, as we know, there are 4 units. So all these 4 units, they talk about several things with respect to cloud computing. First of all, we'll be studying all the fundamentals, architecture, and the management. Okay, we need to learn and understand how the things works into the cloud computing. Nextly, the different types of models which are there into your cloud computing. There are 2 types. One we have service model and one we have deployment model, and bifurcations are there for both of them. And what do we mean by virtualization? How it is helping with respect to cloud computing. Further, we are going to study about the different tools, the drivers, and the supports which are required. The different aspects like reliability, security aspects, and the different types of business needs which are required for your cloud computing. Lastly, we'll be talking about the different service providers and the application deployments. Okay, so which are the different types of service provider which have been used for cloud computing and the environments which are required for setting up such applications. So all are these things, okay, 4 points that I listed that we are going to study in the course of cloud computing and applications. Now, very important question you will ask is, since it is an open elective of computer engineering department, when I consider mechanical, ETC and civil, what does the course offer? Now, coming to when I say ETC department, we know that it is a multi-dimensional market. So having knowledge of cloud computing, it will always put a better efforts. And we know now that every storage is changing to cloud, so it has better aspects in the future. Talking about civil, we know that a lot of repository, data designing happens in civil engineering. So it helps, cloud computing helps with respect to construction data, improving the productivity and the organizational methods which are there. And coming to mechanical engineering department, we know that cloud computing has become the most integral part because it is changing, it is molding the world of manufacturing, applications, high-end computing, networking, and storage. So, there are different points which are there in each of the department wherein cloud computing can be used. So that's it. Okay. So these are the things that we are going to study in the course of cloud computing. So any queries or anything, you all can write an email to me on this particular email ID. Thank you.